How does human nutrition affect the broader economy?
Friends, many people don't even realize that what we have on our plates directly affects not only our health, but also the economies of entire countries. And there are several significant reasons for this. First, animal husbandry is one of the most inefficient ways to use resources. To obtain a small amount of animal-based food, a huge amount of land, water, and feed crops is required. As a result, vast areas of valuable fertile soil are used not to grow food for people, but to grow feed for animals. Consequently, the planet's resources are used extremely inefficiently and the cost of food for people keeps rising. Second, enormous environmental costs. Industrial animal husbandry is associated with water pollution, soil degradation, deforestation, and atmospheric emissions. This creates an enormous burden on ecosystems and requires huge economic expenditures for environmental restoration and dealing with the consequences. Third, diseases and strain on the healthcare system. When society consumes heavy and unnatural food for humans on a mass scale, the number of chronic diseases, inflammatory processes, and metabolic problems increases. This creates a huge burden on the healthcare system and the economies of countries because billions in resources are spent not on the development of society, but on treating the consequences of this lifestyle. That is why more and more people are beginning to understand. Nutrition is not just a personal choice, it is a choice that affects the environment, the economy, and the future of society as a whole. If nutrition becomes simpler and more natural, the planet's resources are used much more rationally, and society begins to move toward a more conscious interaction with the world and nature. Have a wonderful day and help share this video so that more people start thinking about how their daily choices affect the world around them. And if you want to learn even more about nutrition, training, and mindset, join my Telegram channel. There, you'll find a huge number of incredibly useful posts, a friendly community, and more than 180 hours of live broadcasts with in-depth discussions of the most important topics. The link is artemkushnarev.com.